again. Neck. We're everywhere on that one. Whew. Holy shit. That's a super deep rut. Super. Ah! Come on, man. Get in where you fit in. Jesus. Observe it first. Might look a little hairy. Screw it. Woo! Super off camber. Oh shit! Oh, it went off. Oh man. A lot of people went off right there. Look at that. Yeah, we're like using this rock back as a stand, dude. Holy smoke! Alright, stay a breather. Pretty sure I'm holding the damn bike right there. Jesus. I gotta get back in riding shape, boys. That should have been nothing. Ooh. Ooh ah. Alright, let's keep going. Wow. Holy smokes! You know what it was is I went back to the truck. I was doing so good on the first ride. I went back to the truck and ate a sandwich. And that sucker done me in. I feel like I'm carrying 20 more pounds on me. All right, here we go. G out to climb. Shrugging off that one. Ooh. You just never eat a whole freaking sandwich. I swear I learned that before years ago on this open practice I did up at Hollister GP track. I was rattling, dude. I was pumped and shoot. Like first moto, second moto was rattling, just getting better, dude, feeling good. And the next, I was in hungry. I ate a sandwich, and by golly, that what was it, third moto, shoot, I had like literally no momentum, dude. And we're following a rain rut right now. It's not even a trail. I had like no power whatsoever, dude. Everything was just difficult. I got off that. I only did like half a moto before I was putting in all the whole 20-minute moto, just pushing. You know what I mean? Yeah, I did the same thing this time. I was hungry, ate that sandwich and zapped me, dude, zapped me. Oh, that looks pretty nice. See if we can get over there. Oh. Zap me on my energy. Wonder if I should go down that or up the high one. Alright, mark my word, guys. I don't know if this is the right. You know what? I don't feel good about it. Remember what I said? If you're by yourself, you don't feel right, don't do it. This probably leads right to it. But hey, whatever. We felt right about this one. Turned out to be not that bad. That's a gnarly climb right there. I don't know, it feels weird. Oh man. Dude, I hope it just feels like that because it's like numb because of my feet are wet. Yeah, I think it's good. It feels wet inside. I'm thinking like, you know, all that videos you see on Instagram, like dude catches a log, rips through his leg. I'm like, oh man, it feels wet. Did I rip my toe off inside there? Right now it just feels numb and wet, but my socks were wet to begin with. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Holy. There it is, boys. That's exactly what I said. Don't hold on your brakes. Sometimes, you know, if you're in a straight line, you're going good, you can hold on them, you know, just keep yourself slowed down. But right there, I was holding on them. Front caught, slid out, rear was already sliding out the opposite direction. I almost side-swapped. And what did I do to get out of it? I let go of all brakes, dude. You let go of all brakes, and it straightens you back out, then you get on them slow again. I know it seems crazy when you're going downhill, right? You're like, dude, let go of all my brakes. I mean, it's a steep hill, but bro, it helps. Better than you keep on sliding, better than you keep on sliding and wash your end out and just like you go over and right into the hard ground, you know? That's exactly what I did right there. So this shit's sloppy. Look at that. I'm sliding right now as we speak. I was sliding sides, like almost about to swap out, let off everything. We got back on her. Yeah, it is sloppy, dude. It's not even slowing me down. It doesn't look like it. Oh! Alright guys, gonna do it for this vid. Toe feels pretty good actually. It's just wet from all the puddles going through today and the rain and all that. Just feels pretty good. I'm happy with it. If anything, I just limp around at work. You know what I mean? It's crazy because at work, dude, I literally put in like 6 miles a day, like 6, close to 7 miles a day. Like, I don't stop. I'm walking to machine, working on this machine, fixing this machine, going back. You know, my machine, when I'm running it, I'm, you know, loading it, you know, emptying it, the work, all the discs. And I'm just constantly on the move. Like, I have my Fitbit, and when I leave, I'm like at 20, 23, 25,000 steps. So I'll just be limping around. I actually feel pretty damn good, dude. We're good. We're good. All right, guys, smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. We put some work in today. The old girl got a beating. Peace, guys.